I'm so scared. I have got gammy feet. Right then, midnight. I'm gonna sleep. We'll start this vlog in the morning. So we're just on the road. Got the camera set up. I had to set off at 7 o'clock this morning to try and do an hour's journey. But so far, I'm an hour into. So too late last night. That's why I started the video last night. All fuel stations near me had closed. So I had to fuel up this morning. Only just managed to get to the fuel station. 89 litres went into this. So yeah, just in the Panamera. It's only got a 90 litre tank, so pushing it fine. But anyway, just on his way to Blyton Park, Danny, aka Danny DC2, asked if I wanted to come and help him swing his camera around and just help him out with a video. And he was surprised when I said yeah. Probably because I was second choice, because he asked Scott first. But he's been invited by Ginetta to have a go out in some of their cars and just basically see what they're like, because he's never drove one. And he said, well, you can go. And I think I might actually get a go as well, so we'll see. And I'm in my Porsche, so supposedly it's a sports car. And if Ginetta own this track, no reason why I can't get a couple of laps in it, I don't think. So, see what happens. Hopefully this journey doesn't take much more than another 30 minutes or I'm late. I can only go as fast as the car in front. So, see what happens. With that fuel tank. Caffee's not open. Danny's not here. I'm on my own.
Straight on it.
Is it? Yeah.
It's filming sideways. That.
It don't matter. I'll let Adam sort that out.
People to learn the vehicle dynamics, using the weight to get the full braking. Yes. Yeah.
What's that one that lad from Yorkshire races that crashed into us?
Is it G20?
Oh, it's a
G40, is it?
Cars modded on a Tesla Corsa, so you can come to our Simpson.
Danny needs that on his perception. I'm pointing like underneath splitter there. So this is a Ford 3.7 V6. Nice little carbon airbox and a different little intake. I don't know if that's factory. It's aluminium, so maybe it's not factory. Is it aluminium? No, it's plastic. Probably factory. Nice setup. So these are the cars. This is a GT Academy car. 270 horsepower, no ABS, no traction control. So all about the driver. The GT Pro. It's got Bosch Motorsport ABS, traction control, 300 horsepower. It should weigh about 1100 kilos, but if I know there's a difference in it, we'll figure it out later. Yeah. That one's right-hand drive, so it should be a bit easier to get familiar with for us right-hand drive lovers. And then this one's left-hand drive. Let's have a look inside. Proper race car stuff. You've seen what it look like on that side. Will not press the fire extinguisher. Look at the dash. Motec dash. That's annoying. I'm going to have to turn that off now. Yeah, 2 seats, so we're going to have to be analysed before we can have a proper go. So apparently there's going to be a bit of a showdown, but we shall see later on.
Fine, enjoyment, see you in a bit.
getting a go now. See how I get on, eh?
You see that little speck, that white speck? That's a Ginetta.
Scary! I'm so scared! I didn't stall it here, I promise. The throttle's quite responsive.
What were you worried about with your toe? Touching?
It was me, just I was holding my foot below the bar at the bottom of the pedal. You need to be either up or below it, don't you?
Yeah. He's got gammy feet, mate. You'll never tune pedals for him.
You are?
You've got gammy feet.
I have got gammy feet. These shoes are really slippy. I want to make sure.
He's coming out of all the excuses already. Just like,
We're not going against the clock yet.
No. It'll not be good.
I'll be drawing my flip flops on.
Yeah.
I reckon we'll have a better time in this one with the ABS and all that.
Loads of times.
Yeah.
Did you?
See, I could hear. No, I didn't. I could hear you doing it though.
Could you?
Yeah.
I'm that deaf at the minute though. I can't hear it when
What?
it's locked up. Exactly.
It's them helmets, some steel helmets.
these are
Really
good.
insulated.
Yeah, the ears are gone. Just finished my little stint out in this. I think I'm about 7 or 8 tenths slower than Danny. Just need to be more aggressive really, but caught me out a few times, so I was backing off a little bit. But we're still a good few seconds slower than the Pro. So dinner time now. Take all Danny's crap out so he can hear us talking. I'm going to go out in the Pro one, but this has got traction control and ABS and 30 to 40 horsepower more. Same engine and everything, same pretty much car really. So, see what difference that makes, eh? Definitely be easier to drive. Oh dear, the rain has come. At least we finished in that car now that's got no traction control or ABS. So the rain has stopped, which is good, but it's getting a bit dark, look at that. Oh. We ain't had his dinner yet either, but literally only me and Danny here today, so it's worked out good. We'll have to do whatever we want. I'm just going to try and navigate this in race shoes. Oh, I'm wet. Feet are wet. Yeah, you know how I said it'd stop raining? Well, it hasn't stopped raining. I'm in the camera car now. That's it. Green light. I think this might be the end of our day. It's a bit too wet, even for the Pirelli wets, I think. Some big puddles kicking about. So, this will be the last on-track action. Look at these puddles here, look at this big one here. Look. Can't drive this. Oh, cheeky. Oh. You gotta be careful. Some hefty coolers back there.
Some diffuser on that.
Yeah. What are them two coolers?
One's your gearbox, one's your radiator.
Alright. They're rigged up to do some endurance, these, aren't they? Yeah. So, seeing as the day's ruined by the gods and Danny's recording, upstairs we go.